Welcome to the exclusive tour of the project Rajesh Rigas, and right now we are at the double-heighted grand entrance of the launch, which leaves a lasting impression, promising a lifestyle of grandeur and elegance. The project is having a facility of escalator from ground floor to the podium level, providing easy access to the residents and visitors. And now before moving inside, in the foyer space, you have your servant room right beside the main gate. So let us step inside. Now stepping inside into this 4 BHK luxurious apartment where functionality meets luxury in every corner. The size of this living room is 13 by 33 size. So the spacious living room is creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for family gathering or entertaining guests. Another living room is connected with a spacious sitting balcony which is of 23.6 by 7.6 size. The balcony is connected with one of the bedrooms, which is in a perfect spot to unwind with a cup of coffee or enjoy evening breeze. Configuration of this 4 BHK apartment is indicative 3845 super built of square feet, and they have one more size available. And the best part about the apartment is this open layout of dining area which seamlessly connects you with the living spaces, allowing you for effortless entertainment by hosting a small family dinner or something. The size of this dining area is 17 by 12. Now next up is your beautiful kitchen, and now this comes your beautiful kitchen which is of 11 by 12 size, having sleek countertops and having L-shaped platform with ample of storage space. As you can see, the kitchen is connected with the utility area. The project is Rajesh Rigas by the well-known Rajesh Group, who is having more than 25 years of experience in this field. The project is having 3, 4 and 5 BHK units. And now let us explore the bedrooms of the apartment. The first one is this retreat to the luxurious master bedroom, which is a sanctuary of relaxation and comfort. The size of this master bedroom is 12 by 20. Are attached with this connecting sitting balcony, which is wherein you can do yoga, meditation or enjoy a book reading. And now this comes to another beautiful bedroom which is of 12 by 15 size, attached with a separate washroom. Now let us talk about the connectivity. So the project is located at South Bhopal, right next to TRP Mall. So within a few minutes you have DPS Bhopal Sobo Center. Then within 1 kilometer you have SP Ring Road, and various schools, hospitals, shopping centers and restaurants are within surroundings, so making everyday living convenient and hassle-free. And now let's head to the other bedroom of the apartment. So this bedroom is of 12 by 16.6 size, attached with a separate washroom. Now the project is having 10 blocks, 2 basement parking, 438 residential of 3, 4 and 5 BHK units. Now the project offers you luxury living with unmatched benefits by providing you some world-class amenities like grand arrival lounge. Then you have sports cafe, business lounge, swimming pool, mini theatre, gym, indoor games, central lawn, EV charging point, ensuring you luxury living with convenience and sustainability. And this is the last bedroom which is connected with the balcony, as I told you before. The possession for the project is soon, so contact us today to schedule your personal home tour and make this dream home a reality.